SAP SuccessFactors series. In this video, we will see the most common terms we come across in SAP SuccessFactors. Before going to video, my sincere request to all of you, I really appreciate your support on my work. If you like my content, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get into the today's agenda. As discussed, the agenda for today is SAP SuccessFactors platform common terms. Let's get into it. So the most important SAP SuccessFactor common terms I have consolidated over here for your understanding. So let's look into it one by one. So instant is nothing but the front end system of SAP SuccessFactor application. So the front end is nothing but where customer sees the application or interact with the application. The customer facing view is the instance. And coming to the provisioning, so provisioning is backend system of the SAP SuccessFactor application. So it is one of the key configuration tool that SAP SuccessFactor uses to control many aspects or the features of a customer instance. And coming to the admin center is the central access point to wide range of administrative features and tools that can be used to configure and maintain the SuccessFactors application. Admin Center can also used to monitor overall system health, manage cross-suite and third-party integrations. Unlike provisioning, customers do have access to admin centers. So for the provisioning, customers generally do not have access to the provisioning. And coming to the role-based permissions. So role-based permissions are nothing but these permissions will be used to control the access of the users. In other words, role-based permissions are used to manage users' permissions in SAP SuccessFactors. The two main components of RBP are permission roles and permission groups. Roles contains the various permissions necessary to perform tasks in an instance. Groups, which can be static or dynamic, contain the actual users who are granted access to roles via group membership. And the next one is proxy. Proxy is the function allows one employee to act on behalf of other. Okay. And coming to the home page. Home page is the default starting page of the SAP SuccessFactor Human Capital Management suite. For employees, the home page is the main entry point to the SAP SuccessFactors application. And in general, the first page they see after logging into the system. It shows pending tasks, highlights, recent activities, and help users access common functions or areas of an instance quickly. So this is the first landing page when you log in. That is called home page. It will be having all the navigation to all the sections of the SAP SuccessFactors application. And on the home page, we will have different kinds of the thumbnails where you can access different functionality or quick links or pending tasks and so on. So that is called home page. And coming to the org chart provides an interactive view of the organizational hierarchy and reporting relationships, including matrix managers for your users. And pick list is a configurable set of options from which an user can select, typically in a drop-down menu or smart checks list. So generally the pick list will be having like country pick list, legal entity pick list, or any other, for example, employee status pick list. What are the list of values to be part of that particular field will be determined in pick list. And coming to the metadata framework is a platform functionality that allows consultants and customers to extend existing software SuccessFactors HCM suite capabilities. The main building blocks of these extensions are called generic objects. So we will discuss in detail when we go to the discussion on foundational objects. We will discuss about metadata framework as well there. User data file. So user data file is a comma separated value file, and it is used to add or change data for one or more employees records at a time. It is created manually or as an automated output from your human resources information system. And coming to the form templates, these templates contain the layout sections and fields for each form. They are used to create individual forms for the target population. And coming to the forms, in some areas of admin center, forms are referred to as the documents. They are created from form templates and are used to create information, including employee performance evaluations during review cycles. Job code. This is code assigned to each employee that is often mapped to job role. Competencies are also mapped to job roles. So user job code can be used to determine that the correct competencies to add to a user performance form automatically. But job code forms, performance form templates are part of performance module. But in Employee Central, mostly we will get the above ones, the above terms like org structure, org chart, week list, metadata framework, and the previous one which we have seen in the previous slide. So don't worry about form templates, forms, job code because they are part of performance module. Rating scale, role names, route maps also are part of common terms in the SAP SuccessFactors performance domain. Okay, these are most high level SAP SuccessFactors common terms we come across when you use the SAP SuccessFactors platform. So in the next sessions, we will see the next steps of SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central implementation in a very detailed manner. I hope you like this video. Once again, I request you, all of you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.